Hi guys, in this video let's see how to unlock Airtel 4G hotspot device. And before we start unlocking, ensure you have inserted a non-Airtel SIM into your 4G hotspot device and also have it connected to your PC through USB. Also download the required files. I have given the link in the description box. Have all the required files downloaded and keep it in your local machine. And yeah, here we go, let's get started. So these are the files. Open the first one, right click on the file and click run as administrator. Click on start. Open the second file, number 2. Same, right click and run as administrator. Enter your IMEI number, your device IMEI number that you will find it on the box or the device. Enter the IMEI number there and click on calculate. You will get the flash code. Copy the flash code and come back to the file 1 and give your password. Here I am not prompted, but you will be prompted for password. Enter your password there and then open the third file, right click, run as administrator. The third file, install it. Since I have it installed earlier, it is asking for a reinstall. Similarly, do the fourth one, right click, run as administrator. So this is my fourth file. I totally have 8 files. If you come across this pop-up, give this program installed correctly. Click on that. And now go to the fifth file, version 5. Open the file, open it and right click on the driver setup, run as administrator. And now restart your PC, and then once the PC is restarted, open the sixth file, DC Unlocker. Install it, close it, and now launch the DC Unlocker client that got recently installed. Open that one and click on magnifier button that you see there, and now copy the code 80 NVRDEX, copy and paste it there. See to that you don't make any mistake in this code. It should be as it is, as how you see in my screen. Copy and paste the code there and click on enter. Once you click on enter, you will see the X code getting generated. And you are seeing the status is unlocked. Since I have it unlocked earlier, it is showing as unlocked for me. For you guys, it will be locked. The status will be locked. Now open the 7th file, UI calculator, run as administrator. So 7th file is open. Go back to the 6th one. Copy the digits next to 128, starting from 59 until 1F. Your code will be different. You will have to copy your code starting next to 128. Copy and paste it in pattern 1 field. Again, come back to the DC Unlocker. Copy digits starting after 00. Copy it until 01 and paste it in pattern 2 text box. And now click on calculate code. Do a space button, press there. It will take some time, probably 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, more than that. And after 20 minutes, it is completed. The UEM unlock code is now generated. Copy it and keep it handy somewhere. We'll use it later. Right click and you can copy. And paste it somewhere else. And now open the 8th file. prod and server cut. Similarly, right click and run as administrator. This file is same as the first file that we did. File number 1 that we did earlier. Click on start and here you will be prompted for password. So this password, it is same as how you did for the first one. You'll have to get the password from the second file. The flash ID that you get in the second file, that you will have to paste here as a password. And then click on next. It is updating. Since I have it installed earlier, I'm not prompted for password. Since you're doing it for the first time, you will be asked for password, and that is the way that I told you to generate the password. Wait for it to update. It might take some time. So now the firmware is successfully updated. We are in 21.180.17.00 firmware. Click on finish. Now your router 4G hotspot will reboot once automatically and it will launch its home page. And here you will be prompted to enter the unlock code that you copied. OEM unlock code. Paste it there and click on enter. You'll be taken to this page. Since I have this unlocked earlier, I'm not asked for OEM code. Enter the OEM code and click on OK. You'll be taken to this page. And here wait for a couple of minutes. Your service will start appearing. I'm just logging in with my hotspot username and password. Give it some time. So throughout this process, have your 4G hotspot device connected with your PC, and now it started showing service idea. Now I'm currently getting 2G only. So the device is unlocked now. I'm getting idea of service provider's network here. In case if you haven't got the settings since long time, it is not showing up the tower, go back to connection settings. Here under dial up, go to profile management, and here see if your APN settings are displayed. In case if you are using IDEA, your IDEA APN settings will be displayed. In case if it is not displaying, click on new profile and you can give the APN details here. You can get the APN details from your service provider, whoever it may be, Vodafone, Airtel, Idea, not Airtel, Idea, the other service providers. Paste it here and you can click on apply. For my case, I didn't have to give it manually. By default, Idea came, so you don't have to worry. In some cases, if it doesn't come, then you have to give the APN manually.